Welcome back to the 99 Bitcoins YouTube channel. I'm your host Omar Khan, and today we have an update for Bitcoin as the crypto market has taken a massive hit today and BTC ETFs see nearly $1 billion in outflow. Bitcoin currently hovering around $95,000. Is the end of the bull run? Are the markets about to crash? Should you sell your crypto now? That's exactly what we're going to discuss in today's video. But before we go any further, I got to ask if you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss a single update like this. And while you're at it, check out the partner for our channel, Best Wallet. Best Wallet is the best anonymous crypto wallet that lets you create an account without verification, ID, or KYC. Get the most secure and anonymous non-custodial crypto wallet today. Available on Google Play and Apple App Store. Every download supports the channel tremendously. There's a download link in the description box below. But back to BTC. On the day, we're down 4.5%. On the week, making a total of 8% in the red, and the month down over 14%. We're seeing a ton of selling pressure going on, and the market seems to be rather concerned. BTC has liquidity cluttered around the 90 to 92K level. This would be the zone where Bitcoin forms a local bottom. So some expect Bitcoin to go even lower to $92,000. If you had asked me just a couple of days ago when we started seeing the signs of the markets collapsing, I would have guessed that we wouldn't see Bitcoin dip anything below 99,000. I mean, that's what I told my close friends and family, that I'm like, yo, I don't see Bitcoin dipping that low simply because of the ETFs and large institutions. However, look at the ETFs have stabbed us in the back today as ETF selling pressure kind of causes this trickle effect as well. US spot Bitcoin ETF records net outflow of $869.9 million on the 13th of November, the second largest single day withdrawal in history. Over the past 3 weeks, these funds have been seeing cumulative outflow of $2.64 billion. Since the 10th of October, 12 spot Bitcoin ETFs have seen net outflows of over $3.43 billion, with 16 of the last 25 trading days showing withdrawals. Among the worst hit funds, iShare Bitcoin Trust pulled 257 million. Fidelity took 119 million the same day. The outflows happened. BTC slipped below 97,000, reflecting a drop in more than 5% in 24 hours amid heightened macro uncertainty. So again, even with the Fed rate coming, the whole world seems to be in shambles right now. We've even seen the stock market take a massive hit as well. So again, it seems to be red all over the board. But again, these are typically times, especially if you're bullish on crypto in the long haul, this is a phenomenal time to buy in. Remember when Bitcoin's at 125,000 just a couple weeks ago in October? People are buying at the top, right? If anything, this is a great time to buy in the dip. Even if you think it's going to go down, if you are dollar costing averaging, this is a phenomenal time to increase your position. Talking about increasing your position and whale accumulation, I want to take a second to talk about a crypto altcoin that's going pretty crazy, and that is Bitcoin Hyper. Bitcoin Hyper is the fastest Bitcoin layer 2 chain, offering scalability and speed to Bitcoin. They have raised over $27.6 million. They just passed a massive milestone of 27.5 yesterday, and today they raised an additional $100,000. Bitcoin Hyper will unlock fast and cheap Bitcoin transactions. This unleashes the true power of Bitcoin for payments, meme coins, and dApps. They make Bitcoin more developer friendly. So again, they raised over 27.6 million. It's currently trading at just over a penny, and they're going to increase their price in 20 hours. So if you're interested in buying, link in the description box below. All right, now we take a look at some headlines for the crypto crash. We see what's causing the crypto crash. Crypto market crashes here. Why Bitcoin eats Solana, ZEC, and other alts are following. Bitcoin suddenly crashing pretty hard. Everyone seems to be talking about the crash. That seems to be a top headline. But again, something in my gut's telling me this will be short-lived. We'll probably start seeing recoveries by the end of the week. But again, that's only my personal prediction. Crypto whales are selling Bitcoin as it sinks further below $100,000. Should you sell now? Bitcoin sinks 6 months low as risk off sentiment persists. So again, a lot of selling pressure in the market. But again, like I said, in the long haul, I do believe a recovery could take place, especially when we do find that localized low and we start seeing some buying pressure come in. Also, all this money coming out of the ETF, we're probably going to see more pressure, people coming back in, as it's like typical supply demand issue. And I see the market's going to recover fairly soon. That's just my personal price prediction. Obviously, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That wraps up the video, and I'll see you guys all next one. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.